Let's go to the sleepover. With the Titans. Titan cameraman said. We need to go to Titan TV man's house. So I better go.
I'm so happy to have a sleepover. I better get out the bed.
I wonder when Titan TV man will open the door.
Hey Titan cameraman, to come inside.
Okay, let's go.
Wait for me. No, they left.
Let's play Roblox. And where is Titan speaker man?
And let's go to McDonald's. Oh hi Titan speaker man. We are going to McDonald's. Wanna come?
Why not?
What a wonderful day today.
Hi TV man.
Hello, we all want burgers. And fries please.
Okay, sure, that will be 20 pounds.